So you want to go into the deep end, you said? That's the whole ocean. The deep end is the whole ocean, Mia. You want to stay here on the shore, baby girl. That's where the party's at. You get the waves, you get the dolphins. Oh, oh, oh. It's great.
There's no waves. The ocean.
Yeah, but they're big and they ain't fun to play in. Oh snap, did you see Lorelai just eat it right there? Ah, I just saw Lorelai just eat that wave. Wow. McKay Fam 2020. The theme is eat that wave. Hey, can I take a selfie with you? Come on, baby. I love it. Thanks, Mia. I got it. Here Kings. Oh, here comes Kings. It's a big one, Kings. Yeah. Mia's got a friend. Mia's got this boy that's getting close. Trying to.
Friend?
No.
Oh. I see what you're saying.
Isn't it crazy? It feels like 2019. It doesn't feel like coronavirus ever was a thing. Oh! That's the Lord telling us, no, it's a thing, baby. Knock your expectations down. Here comes another big one. Mia. How you doing out here, baby? You're doing a good job. You're getting pretty good at that thing. You look beautiful, by the way.
Yeah.
Huh? That's...
Look, on these waves, they're just flat.
It's a good feeling, though. Better than the YMCA?
Yes.
Better than the YMCA. This fish was just born in Gulf Shores, Alabama. It just came out of
Mommy's holding it.
It's a baby fish. I mean, it's the tiniest fish I've ever seen. Come here.
Can I hold it?
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Wait.
Every time you move it, I lose focus.
Oh, he's moving. Oh, you saw it. You caught him moving?
Yeah, just keep it still. He was just born. He just came out of the embryo.
I told you those were little eggs that were washing up ashore.
One.
You cannot keep it, Mia. That's like
Lorelai, I need
not
the sunlight.
Right. Well, let her see it too.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
look,
now
look,
look.
Lorelai. It's a fish.
Oh,
It's a baby.
I'm so disappointed.
Why are you disappointed?
Mia was making me into a merman.
Baby, come on. This is like so cool.
Let them in the bottom. Wait, I want to hold him next.
Hold him, Mia.
Here. I'm just going to pass you this piece of sand. Put your hand out. Because I'm not... Don't... This is awesome. Come, hurry. Right here. Full of fish. A bunch of them. You see them?
Wow, there's a school of fish here.
Can you get that on camera?
I have no idea. I'm trying.
The waves push them back a little bit too, so... Wait, you want me to stop holding you, Lorelai? Yeah. Okay, Lorelai, stop the board. Okay, I'll stop holding you.
Look at me smile, girls. Hey, say McKay Family Vacation 2020.
McKay Family Vacation.
Say it together.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. McKay Family Vacation 2020.
Nobody says anything.
Nobody. So it's just on me. Party time. Excellent.
Find the school of fish again.
She found the school of fish again?
They're right here.
Wow, they are right here. Can you see the school of fish?
Okay, you're fine. Look, you're fine.
Oh, good eye, Mia.
Are you swimming? You gonna swim?
Dude, Lorelai is riding mommy in. That's her plan. She couldn't break it on her own with a boogie board. So she was like, plan B, activate the moms. Wow, Kikings, are you riding mommy to us?
The piggyback wave board, whatever you call it.
That's so funny.
Lorelai, hop in, it's coming! Hop in! That's right. This actually works though.
That's so funny.
Coming, Lorelai.
I know, she should be riding me. Uh-oh.
Get out the way, Daddy!
A little bit more time at the YMCA and she'll be golden. Mia! Hey, beautiful. You look so cool with your boogie board. Hours until the mandatory mask order goes into effect. Who's gonna wear a mask at the beach? That's just silly. It's gonna get wet and it's gonna fall into pieces. There you go, you got one. Oh, you look so cool though from this angle. It looks like you're riding a big wave like into the beach. Mia got.
I do not feel good at all.
I have been stung by a jellyfish lots of times. She'll be fine.
She'll be fine, but it doesn't feel good.
No, it doesn't feel good.
See it? Yeah.
But don't I always talk about that time I got stung by jellyfish in Puerto Rico?
You did?
How many times have I told you about that story?
Once.
Yeah, once. How about you, Mommy? How many times have I told you that story?
Yeah, I can still see it from here when the waves go up and down. You see? Right there, babe, with the camera. It's out here.
Oh, okay.
There it is, over there.
Okay, cool. Well, all by himself.
Daddy has the camera over there. That's a pretty big one.
Daddy, don't get flooded. And it's stinky.
Yeah.
You see it, Mia?
Yeah.
I mean, you can see it when the waves hit it.
I just wish I could tell with her friend. She got stung by like a jellyfish or something. Hey. That's her got stung by a jellyfish look. She's very brave. Does it feel good when you put sand on it? Does it feels a little better? Alright, now I think I got it. Sorry girls, I got no, they don't want it. They don't want that. They don't want that. Welcome to McCabe Family Vacation 2020. Paparazzi. They don't want that. They just want them oysters, right girls? We're gonna go get them oysters. Whoa, it's gonna be great. You want the oysters, Rockefeller, and you want them oysters with the hot sauce, right?
No.
Alright, what do you want then?
Pizza.
That's but we're at the ocean. Hey, take a picture right here. Right here. Yes, can you look at me now? Lorelai.
Mommy, you on the bed.
Get in, Zuli.
Mommy.
Zuli, get in. Hold on, you gotta take one with mommy. Just trust me on this one. Look at me, Lorelai.
Daddy.
She's not with you. Lorelai. There you go.
I love that picture.
Alright, girls. Hold on, I wanna. So we got
This is awesome. Guys, show your gators.
I'll show us your gators.
Show Daddy your gator, Mia, Lorelai, and Mia. Good job. I like that.
I'm so excited for these Rockefellers.
So small. So that.
Remember I told you, don't go to a seafood restaurant and order pizza, and you said that you were gonna show me up tomorrow and go to a seafood restaurant and order pizza?
I just want second
Is it? Oh my god, it's just so good.
It's super hot. It feels hot. It's a little cookie.
It's the oysters, baby. It's why we come here. They're so good.
Oh no, I didn't get it.
Is that the meat in the oyster?
Yeah, mommy's gotta actually get it now. It's got, they put like bacon and stuff in it. It's really good.
Parmesan. Let me make sure that doesn't happen again.